This video will be about isotopes, how we recognize them, what they are, some definitions. So before we do that, let's remember what an atom is. You can tell an atom by the number of protons it has. So in this example here, there is 6 protons, so it must be carbon because all carbon atoms contain 6 protons. All carbon atoms contain the 6 protons. So their proton number, this lower number here, is 6. However, not all carbon atoms are identical. Some have more neutrons than others. So most carbon atoms are like this. They contain 6 protons and 6 neutrons. This creates 12 nucleons. 6 protons plus 6 neutrons inside the nucleus. So we call this carbon-12. However, what happens when we start increasing the number of neutrons in the nucleus? So if a neutron enters the nucleus, about 1 in every 100 carbon atoms becomes like this, with this time not 6 neutrons but 7. So now you will notice how the nucleon number has changed from 12 to 13. So it's known as carbon-13. 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons. Let's continue adding neutrons. So the third isotope of carbon is known as carbon-14, and a very small number of carbon atoms are like this. It has 8 neutrons. Therefore, its nucleon number is 14. The proton number still remains 6, so it's still carbon. However, now it has, with the extra 8 neutrons, 14 nucleons in total. The 3 atoms above are called isotopes of carbon. Isotopes. An isotope is an atom or groups of atoms of the same element however they have different nucleon numbers but different nucleon numbers. Okay, so they have 6 protons for carbon, because carbon by definition has 6 protons, but they have varying numbers of neutrons added to change the nucleon number. Most elements have isotopes. For example, calcium has 6, magnesium has 3, iron has 4, and chlorine has